Paint blistering from heat exposure can totally wreck your fresh paint job and make your walls look all bumpy and ugly, so knowing how to handle it is clutch. First off, never paint when the sun is blasting directly on the surface because the heat makes the paint dry too fast and traps moisture underneath, causing those annoying blisters. Try to pick a cool, shady spot or paint early in the morning or late afternoon when the temperature is way lower. Using heat-resistant paints is a smart move since they are made to handle higher temps without breaking down. Keep an eye on the weather forecast too, because super hot days or sudden heat waves can mess with your paint job big time. Also, prep your surface by cleaning it thoroughly and making sure it's dry before you start painting. Moisture is the enemy here. If you're painting outside, avoid painting on really hot walls that have been in the sun all day. Remember, thin coats are better than thick ones. Thick layers trap more heat and moisture, which leads to blistering faster. Finally, don't rush the drying process by cranking up fans or heaters near your paint. Let it dry naturally to prevent uneven drying. One of the biggest mistakes people make with paint blistering from heat exposure is painting in direct sunlight without considering the temperature, which causes rapid drying and trapped moisture. Fix this by choosing cooler times of day or shaded areas. Another common problem is using regular paint instead of heat-resistant paint on surfaces exposed to high heat. Switching to a heat-resistant formula helps keep the finish smooth and blister-free. Lastly, slacking on surface preparation, like not cleaning or drying the walls properly, leads to moisture issues that cause blistering. Always clean and dry your surface well before you start painting for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome way for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about painting and home repairs. Contractors also get a steady stream of work from people who need reliable pros, making it easier to grow their business without all the hassle.